In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund purchases on Brawlhalla. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find the refund option and how to refund any purchases that you have made on the Brawlhalla store. So first, open Brawlhalla on any platform, make sure that you are signed into the proper account, and then go over to the store. In here, you will be able to see everything available from featured, chests, legends, and other categories, and all that you have to do to refund any of these purchases is to tap on this little settings icon and you will be able to find purchases. In here, there will be a list of any purchases that you have made on this Brawlhalla account, and if you read at the bottom, you will see purchases are refundable up to 90 days, and you will have a certain number of refunds remaining. So basically, whenever you start Brawlhalla, you will be given 3 refund opportunities, and you can use these refund opportunities for anything that you purchase as long as it is within 90 days. So on my account, I don't have any purchases that I'll be able to showcase in this video being refunded. I apologize, but regardless, this is all you have to do. So just open this, go over to the settings, tap purchases, and you will be able to find them here. If it has been more than 90 days or you don't have any more refund available, then sadly there is nothing that you can do. To my knowledge, you will only be given 3 refunds for the entirety of your account, and even though you can try contacting the support for Brawlhalla, it is extremely unlikely that they will grant you more refunds, so use them wisely. Make sure that you only do this when you really regret a purchase, and make sure that it is worth it. If it was a small purchase, maybe just accept it and it won't be that much of a loss. Because these refunds are so limited, you really have to use them wisely. But it's all you have to do. So just open up Brawlhalla, go over to purchases, and you will be able to use one of the refunds that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund purchases on Brawlhalla. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.